Mukesh Ambani. He is the fifth richest man in the world with net worth of about $8.9 billion. It is just close to Mark Zuckerberg. Actually, for years, the world's 5 richest people group is comprised and dominated by Americans, Europeans, and occasionally Mexicans. But after a long time, an Indian took this place, which is a pride moment for every Indian. We are listening every day in news about Jio that some giant company has invested on Jio for some thousands of crores and acquired some percentage of stake. In past few months, there has been around 1,50,000 crores of investment in Jio. In this video, let's see the details of companies that had invested in Jio and also some future objectives of Reliance Industries Limited. The first investment is Facebook. Facebook has invested a large amount in Jio platforms with very huge future plans. It has bought about 10% stake by investing 43,574 crores. The second investment is Silver Lake. This is an American-based multinational private equity firm which is focused on large-scale investments in technology and related industries. This company has bought 2.08% of stake at a cost of 10,202.55 crores. The third investment is Vista Equity Partners. This is also an American equity firm which is focused on financing and forwarding technology-enabled startup businesses. Vista has invested 11,367 crores in Reliance Industries Limited and acquired 2.32% of stake in it. The fourth investment is General Atlantic, also known as GA. It is an American growth equity firm that provides capital and strategic support for global growth companies. General Atlantic has bought 1.34% of stake by investing 6,598 crores in Reliance Jio platforms. The fifth investment is KKR, also known as Kohlberg Kravis Roberts & Co. It is an American global investment company which manages multiple asset classes including private equity, energy, infrastructure, real estate, credit, etc. KKR has invested about 11,367 crores and acquired 2.32% stake in Reliance Jio platforms. The sixth investment is Mudbala. Mudbala Investments is an UAE-owned global investment company and it has acquired 1.85% of stake by investing 9,093 crores in Reliance Jio platforms. The seventh investment is ADIA. ADIA is Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, a government-owned investment organization. It is the third largest sovereign wealth fund in the world. ADIA has invested 5,684 crores, owning 1.16% of stake in Reliance Industries. Now, here comes the latest and the second largest investment, Google. Google has invested 33,737 crores in Jio platforms for 7.7% stake. These two companies will jointly develop operating system for an entry-level smartphones that will support 5G and target India's 350 million feature phone users. The ninth investment is Qualcomm. Qualcomm is a semiconductor manufacturing company. All Snapdragon processors used in our mobiles is manufactured by this company. It has invested 730 crores in Reliance Jio platforms to acquire 0.15% equity stake. Qualcomm said that it will help Jio platforms to implement advanced 5G infrastructure and services. From April 22nd to July 15th, Jio has diluted almost 33% of its stake and it has made around 1,50,000 crores. The objective that Reliance took is becoming a debt-free company in coming time. Jio is not a telecom company alone and it is not with the objective of just being telecom company. They have very bigger future plans. It wants to be a complete database company, not only a data provider. As of now, Jio is a data provider, but Jio wants to be in many other fields also. They had already introduced budget phones, but in future they want to be in smartphones also. After that, talking about broadband, even there Jio has penetrated well. Jio has already started its scheme sometimes back in Jio Fiber. In addition to this, Jio has also positioned in devices which we use in our home like Apple TV and others. Here Jio got their set-top box using which you can get benefit of these services. There is an unofficial news that Jio even want to bring their own device like Alexa. to automate total home with voice control. So the entire objective of Jio is to become a tech-driven company which provides us facilities from home automation to providing a network. We know that Jio has started its JioMart few months back, but they didn't launch any Android app for this. I think the reason behind this is Facebook, the investment of Facebook and WhatsApp in Jio. These both are working for an update with which we can make grocery orders directly from WhatsApp. That means they want to sync their JioMart to WhatsApp itself. Not only this, as discussed earlier, Jio even wants to develop smartphones with the help of Google by their own operating system. So if all these plans works out, this will be very helpful for Atmanirbhar Bharat, that is self-reliant India. Let's hope this will happen very soon. So that's all for the video, guys. If you like the content, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Frontliners. Jai Hind.